Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I like experimenting with different ingredients, especially when it comes to produce. One that I like using when it's available is celery root, also known as celeriac. As weird as it looks, it's actually quite flavorful and a great veggie to cook with. Here's how to prep it. So let's get cooking. Here's our celeriac, and let me tell you, it won't win any prizes at a beauty pageant, but this underrated root vegetable has great flavor. So we'll go ahead and cut both ends. Now, one thing I forgot to do before starting is to scrub it to remove any extra dirt. But it's okay, it's not a big deal. I'll simply wipe my cutting board off after I'm done prepping it. So, using a sharp knife, and I will definitely advise against using a vegetable peeler because the outer skin is a little thick, we'll start from the top and following the contour all the way to the bottom. It's the same method when removing the outer layer of a pineapple. Now, the veggie will begin to brown soon after the skin is removed. So here are two alternatives. You can rub it with a lemon cut in half or cut the celeriac into pieces and drop it into a bowl filled with cold water. Both ways will prevent oxidation. From here, depending on your recipe, you can slice it, dice it, cube it, make wedges with it, or turn it into fries. Basically, treat it like a healthy, low-carb potato. For more info, visit the blog. As you saw in this video, it's super easy to prep and can become another delicious and healthy addition to your menu. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!